friends and welcome to my video one more time. Today the topic is what are the best survey websites for making money online. Surveys are an easy way to make money online, but there are so many survey websites that it can take hard time to decide which one to work for. The good news is that there are several websites that offer higher than average payouts and instant payments. So you don't have to waste your time or for making the money online by using long surveys or filling out your demographic information over and over again. These few of the survey websites will help you get more bang for your buck, so you can spend less time taking surveys and more time cashing out your earnings. The best websites in the list are MTurk and Tap Research. So first in the list is Mechanical Turk, that is MTurk. Surprisingly, MTurk is being published by Amazon. So if you're looking to make some extra money, then you should definitely check out Amazon's Mechanical Turk. MTurk is a marketplace for human intelligence tasks, are also called as HITS or HITS. In other words, it's a place where businesses and individuals can post tasks that require a human touch. And as long as the task is completed correctly, you will be paid. To sign up for an account on MTurk, just go to the websites and create an account with your email address and phone number. Once your account has been approved, you will be able to start doing your work at Amazon MTurk. So second in the list is, and the best one, Tap Research. If you're looking to make some extra cash by taking surveys online, then Tap Research is a great opportunity for you. While Tap Research, you can take surveys on a variety of topics and get paid for your opinion online. Plus, the payout is typically higher than other survey websites available. To get started, simply create an account and start taking surveys. Tap Research is also available on third parties like Timebox. Get registered and start earning today. Thank you.